Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Lead Extension, your trusted e-commerce migration expert. Store migration is a big step for growth, and that sounds exciting until you see the cost. From our years of experience, the price tag has been the one thing holding many stores owners back. But now, you can migrate your store without having to spend a single dollar. Introducing Lead Extension Free Migration, where you can migrate your store at absolutely no cost. Our offer lets you migrate up to 100 products, 100 customers, and 100 orders using our automated migration tool. It's the same safe, professional process that we're known for, only now you don't have to pay for it. So, how do you actually migrate your store for free with our automated tool? Let me walk you through the steps. First, log into the Lead Extension app. You can use your email and password or just sign in with Google. Super quick. From your dashboard, click on Create New Migration to get started. Now, step 1, set up your source store and target store. For this step, we have to set up the connection for both your source store, which is your current platform, and the target store, which is where you're moving to. Depending on the type of platform, the setup is a little different. If your store is open source like Magento, WooCommerce, or Shopware, you'll need to download the Lead Extension connector and upload it to your store root folder. If you need help, we have detailed video tutorials to guide you step by step. Then, paste your store URL. When it's connected, you can move on to the target store setup. If your platform is a hosted solution like Shopify, BigCommerce, or Weebly, it's even simpler. Just paste in your store URL and fill out the required fields. And don't worry, we have clear guides for every platform that show you exactly how to get these details. Once everything is ready, hit Next, configure your migration. Now, it's time to choose the data you want to move. With our free migration, you can move your core store data, including products, customers, and orders. If each data type has under 100 entities, your migration will be completely free. Here, you will also see additional options that make your migration more flexible. Hover to see the tutorial for each option if you want a quick walkthrough. Next, you can map your languages and order status so they show up properly on your new store. When you're happy with the settings, you can run unlimited free demo by clicking Start Free Demo Migration or skip straight to the full migration. Before running your full migration, the system will display the cost right on the screen. There are two cases here. First, if you migrate under 100 MBs for each core data type, that price will be $0. Otherwise, if the number of the chosen entities exceed the limit, or you migrate special entities and pay additional options, then you will see the extra charges right on the screen. Once you agree with our price, just hit Start Full Migration and let the tool do the work for you. Everything runs safely in the cloud, so you don't need to sit and wait. You can close your browser, even turn off your computer, and the process will keep going. Once it's done, we'll send you an email right away so you can check the results. And that's how easy it is to migrate for free with Lead Extension. With our Lead Extension free migration, you will enjoy all the perks, including migrate all your core data up to 100 entities each type at zero cost. Run unlimited demo migrations and perform one full migration. Secure your data and move seamlessly, no coding required. Keep selling while migrating because we ensure 100% store uptime. So, what are you waiting for? Start migrate for free with Lead Extension right now if you have less than 100 entities. Click the link in the description below, reach out to us, or drop a comment if you have any questions. We're here to help you with every step of the way.